welcome back to Learn Golf with Cassie, where Coach Dad teaches big drills and I teach you drills. If I can do it, you can. Today we're at the driving range and we're very sorry that we haven't been able to get on the course very recently. It's because the weather has been so cold and wet that it's literally impossible.
We've got really strong winds, strong rain, and even standing on the mat we're getting wet.
Let's do a video on
Playing in the cold, wet weather.
Yep, let's get into it.
Today, because we've got a really cold, wet day and we've got the wind blowing directly into our face today, we're going to play some shots that you need to play in the cold, wet weather. And basically, cold weather is about adjusting your expectations, taking more club and swinging slow. Okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so when it's very windy, I took a 9-iron and I go nice and slow. The important thing is making good contact. And swing nice and smooth. And my 9-iron, which usually goes 135, went about 110. I then wanted to hit the ball 135, so I switched to my 7-iron and again made the same swing, nice and smooth, making sure I got great contact, and that went 135. So essentially, I'm actually swinging a bit slower. I'm not putting quite so much energy into the ball, but I'm making sure I get centre contact. That means the ball won't be blown off with too much spin. So Cassie's now going to hit her 9-iron, which she usually hits about 75. She's going to go with 9-iron for about 60.
By the way, we are not sponsored by Links.
But they are our Christmas presents from Mum, aren't they? And they are very warm, and we need them on a day like this. Okay, let's see Cassie hit a 9-iron, about 60 yards. Okay, let's get a nice smooth swing. And that was a good shot, wasn't it? How far did that go?
The third flag nearly.
That was about 60. Big left one there. Good shot. Okay. Because it's cold today, Cassie, we'll look down the line now. Cassie's throwing a few of them to the left. Okay, not bad. Just a little bit to the left. That's perfect. And actually we've got that back to the normal distance now, that drill.
Also click the eye up above to see the video we did on that drill.
Yeah, check out the eye for that drill video for what Cassie's doing at the moment. Good shot. We've got Cassie doing that drill again. That was one we did before for lag, but this is also a good one for helping her body turn all the way through. Okay. Just left of the body, that's fine, that's 2 okay. There we go. Good. There we go, we're back in it. That's perfect. At the moment you're swinging and you're cutting across. You should be dropping the hands here and it should be round there, okay? Down to here, pivot out and goes round you. The moment you're just about swinging out to the thing, that's where they're going left as well. There, dead straight. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. That was the arms disconnecting from the body. Push those heel of your hand down to pick it up a little more. That's it. Oh, perfect. Round, so that's it. That's it. Now we are making bullets again. Well done. Perfect. Oh my goodness, that was perfect. Go. No. Stop. And there is the blooper for 2019. What a volley.
I'm going to see that again. I hope you guys enjoyed my last shot of 2018. That was quite unfortunate. So, if you guys like that video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already to learn golf with. So, we hope you guys have an amazing new year and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!